I'm gonna go to the hospital now. It's a funny looking cornfield, isn't it? Yeah, I've spent my whole morning so far writing a paper for school. It stinks, but education's important, guys. Just remember, stay in school. Don't do drugs. I should probably listen to my own advice. I'm not saying school's a bad thing, guys. I'd just rather be farming. Well, hello there. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, I gotta go power wash the semi. Let me change real quick. Whoops. Not quite. There we go. Burr. Full. Come on in. Come on in. Yeah. Burr, it's cold out there. I'm gonna power wash the red Volvo and I'm gonna freeze my butt off. This old girl's dirty. Look at that. Yuck. My least favorite place to wash is under here. Pretend I wasn't in high. I'm going fast. Got a big old mirror right there. It's wet. Can't you tell I'm really excited to watch this? Note to self, next time wear a face mask. Hey guys, here's Cole's fun fact of the day. Dirt doesn't taste very good in your mouth. Puh. I'm gonna go lay on my mom's couch. You want to go to the farm, don't you? Let's move some corn into the big machine shed now. It is absolutely freezing outside right now. We have to work on the one grain car right now. The slip clutch is going out in it for some reason. We just replaced it last year, and now we're replacing it again. So something's got to be wrong. So we're going to go figure out what that is. We think we know what the problem is, but we're not sure. We're going to give it a go. Give it the old college try. It's a little too wet right now to combine corn. The ground seems good, but the stalks are a little wet. We had a neighbor just hop in a field and he said they were wrapping around the rollers on his corn head. So it just needs a few more hours of drying, and we'll probably just end up waiting till tomorrow since it gets dark so stinking early now. We have an annoying issue. The auger that's coming out of the hopper bottom decided to take a dump. So we got to pull the dryer out, this auger out, get another auger, put it in here, and then we don't need the dryer anymore, so we're just going to bring in a wagon and run it up into our cooling bin, which feeds into the big machine shed. This will take probably a couple hours. We got to disconnect the dryer. The dryer needs moved. I got the gas tank out, and then we got to move this 10-inch auger over and bring in another 10-inch coming from the hopper bottom, because that auger is going to be gone too. That auger right there is going to be the one getting replaced. It's stinking cold out there. It's like 22 degrees. In between working on these augers, semis are coming in so we can unload them. It makes a nice time to warm up in the little shed. He's in some rows right now that are intercrossed, and they're not wanting to slide into the head the best right now since it's a little damp out. So he's had to get out and do this a couple times now. It's 2 sweatshirts, a coat, long underwear, jeans, and coverall season. We have a problem. It snowed and we can't get out there because the roads are too slick. We're gonna get our semis stuck on the road. The stalks should basically be clean, so we shouldn't have any issues with combining the corn, but we can't get it from the field to home. We got about 200 acres left, so I've been taking advantage of this and cleaning the shop. It looks so much better. It's never as clean as you want it to be, and you don't have things organized how you want them exactly, but it's starting to take shape. This winter, I want to take everything out of here, all this stuff, and really find a good home for it. And then this place is going to start looking awesome. We're hoping we can combine corn tomorrow, but it's probably going to be in the afternoon before the weather heats up enough to melt the snow off the roads. The reason why the roads are like they are, we only got about this much snow, but when the cars run over it, then it packs it down and then it turns it to ice. The plows didn't go out for this much snow, which makes sense, but it also makes it slick. I mean, for a semi, you can pee in front of the tire and it's going to get stuck. Surprise, surprise. You'd think they'd be just able to plow through anything, but not the case. I'm going to finish cleaning this up, and you might see me on the combine tomorrow. All right, the real question is, how long will the shop stay clean? I'm guessing 2 days. The pump must have been frozen where it kicks off. I left it unattended for a couple minutes, and this happened. Nice. I wonder if that's cherry flavored. After doing a taste test, I can confirm it's actually strawberry flavored. I'm gonna go to the hospital now. While we still have snow on the ground, I got the bean head all cleaned up and ready to be put away. I just gotta grease a couple things on it and then bring it to its summer vacation home. Got everything on the Bobcat all greased up, all the greasers that wouldn't take, cleaned out, fixed. It's good to go. Oil change, filters are changed. Voila. I got the lawnmower winterized, washed up, greased up, cleaned. No mice should be making nests on it. Ooh, I missed a spot. That's dirty. Eek. Now the snow just needs to melt. We can go, probably. But the roads are so slick with snow on them that we don't think we're going to be able to get our semis down the road. That's an issue. Right now it's 1:15 in the morning. We just got combining. Well, we got combining earlier. We got about 100 acres off, but it's just been a runaround day. There's kind of some snow, frosty stalks. It's slower going, but it's going. I had all the sensors go off on me in the combine. That just dripped dust on me. This belt came off. It doesn't look burned or anything. So hopefully it just popped off and we can pop that back on and get a good start again in the morning. That probably won't happen though, because I guess more augers broke and more belts burnt off. And yeah, the whole rigmarole of every auger that we own is broken this year. We burned the belts off this auger. We're putting new ones on and hopefully go back to picking corn. We're waiting for the semi brakes to unlock, and then we'll get everything moved over to our last farm. It's a little weird running out here in the snow, but we're getting her done here in the snow machine. That's what we got her for. While we're sitting here full I'm gonna get out behind and look to make sure the combine's not spitting extra corn through it. Looks pretty good. I burnt the belts off this motor. So I got two that are 2 inches bigger than what we had on it before, but they should work. I think I can slide the motor over a little bit to take up for that extra room. We'll get these on, then we'll get back in the field. I need to use the bathroom. What is that? Just like that, harvest is over. We're all done with harvest now, and that means we have a lot of stuff to clean up. We did some cleaning up yesterday. It was a muddy mess. We're gonna bring the bean head over to its vacation home. Then I'm gonna be doing a little bit of shop reorganizing. Kitchen area is going to the back where the bench is. The bench is coming up to where the kitchen area is. Then last night I cleaned the grain carts up, got them all power washed down. They were filthy because the last day we were running, the ground unthawed and we had a little bit of snow, so it just kicked a bunch of mud all over them. So I got the main stuff off, and then later I'll be able to pull them in the shop and get them really clean. I got my after harvest hair because no one sees me now, so it doesn't matter. I just got the bean head all cleaned up, oiled up, and put away in its summer vacation home. I'm gonna go get the forks now so I can rearrange the shop. I've been looking forward to doing this for a long time, so I'm pretty excited. Are you kidding me? Shop's not all the way done yet, but this is a good start. We've gone through the corn head and we know what needs replaced on it next year, so we're pricing 3 different ways on what we want to do for that. But we're gonna go take that to the summer vacation home as well, where that'll sit for the winter. And then this summer we'll tear it apart because it needs a lot of components. That one's gonna have some expensive repairs on it, just because of normal wear and tear. Ah, it's flipping me off.